Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my first update for the Budget Beauty Project Pan. This is a PANtastic Ladies collabs from our Facebook group. This was created by my girl Floralisa and she is going to be linked down below so you can check her out along with all the other amazing ladies that have joined in. This project right here is all about budget-friendly beauty items. It doesn't matter if it's makeup or hair care, skin care, body care, whatever, as long as it's beauty. That is what this is about. It's got to be like drugstore, affordable, that kind of stuff. And I believe it was either 4 to 6 or 5 to 7 products. I always go above because that's just what I do. And I had some smaller products, so I just threw them in there. This started on December 17th and ends January 17th of next year. So thankfully we have a little bit of time because I'm not doing as well with this one as I normally would do with a project. And I think it's because I had some conflicting products in here, but hopefully by the next update I will have some better progress. I do have 2 empties. They're 2 foils, so it's not anything very exciting, but I used the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. This is the Delicacy. I actually did really like this. I didn't think it was absolutely amazing, but it was nice. So I was, I enjoyed it while I had it. And the only other product that I have used in the last month is this Suave Maximum Hold Volumizing Mousse. I started this project, it was 286 grams and it is now 226 grams. So I've used 60 grams of product. So that's good. That is very good. And I will continue to use that until it is gone. I do use that quite a bit, so I don't have any worries that that's going to be still here when we do the finale in January. All right, I do have some other products that I put in here that I haven't touched, and some of them are one-time use. These are the Garnier Fructis hair mask treatments. I just haven't gotten to them yet. Actually, these probably will turn out to be 2 uses because my hair isn't quite as long as it used to be. It's incredibly thick, if you can see this big mess back here. But, I bet I can probably get 2 uses out of that. And I also have the Finesse Deep Conditioning Keratin Treatments. I have 2 of them. These foils are huge. When my hair was a little bit shorter, I think I got 5 treatments out of each of these foils. So I might be able to get 4 out of it now. So there is that. It's going to take a while. And I don't wash my hair every day, so hopefully I can get these done by January 17th. 2 other products that I haven't touched at all. They're both from Ulta Beauty. The first one is the Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I haven't touched this because I have another one that I'm almost done in another project. So as soon as that other one is done, then I will start working on this one. This one worries me about whether or not it will be done on time. I don't know. That's going to be like a close call. And the other one is the Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening Mascara. It still has the plastic on it, if you can see that little tag right there. I haven't opened this because I've been working on one from Sephora, and I don't like to have more than 1 mascara open at a time. So as soon as that one is done, I will be working on this one. Mascaras usually don't last me more than 3 months. I know it's less than 3 months until finale. If it gets done, it gets done. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I've never used this one before, though Amanda raves about it. So I'm excited to try it, but I don't want to open it until it's time to open it, if that makes sense. Anyway, that is my update. Not very exciting. Hopefully I will have more empties for the next update. Again, everyone is going to be listed down below that has joined in, so go check them out and show them some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.